Yeah, I'm Ravi Kumar. I'm working in Ebenezer International School as a director of sports. Yeah, actually, it was my dream to come to Arna. The reason is, I know I'm staying in this place quite long time. I know about the Mahindra that their construction, their building, they are coming up 2-3 places. When I interacted with the Mahindra, that owner of the company, he told me this is their dream project. Then I thought, okay, when their dream project, it is my dream also to buy the apartment. So I taken up that decision because lot of challenges. I'm a middle class family. Even Arna people helped me to get the loan. It was amazing to be with them. I'm really happy for that. Actually, it took long time to take a decision because financial issues. Dozen of time when we visited this place, we went around, we spoke a lot of people who was taken up earlier to us. They are very happy. The amenities which is they are providing, it is not like apartment. It's a kind of, everything is available. With children, I no need to go anywhere. My father, mother stays there. It is a kind of small town for us. So that we are chosen. It's a safety place. We can go for, we have sports club, badminton court and cricket pitch, basketball court, football, lot of things, Even evening time I go and enjoy with my small children. It is that, as I mentioned, it is not the apartment, it is kind of small town for us. Really we enjoy, that's the reason we take it up. Actually, I want to tell you this kind of earlier when I came to Anandnagar 14 years back, it is kind of very small village. Now it's become like art of city. Everything is available. You just go 10 steps away. We have Vishal and nearby schools are there. I think metro station also coming up. It is kind of very easy. You don't need to worry. Especially in this Corona time, it is the best place because we don't need to go anywhere out because we are quarantined. When we quarantined here, we didn't felt that we are quarantined. Everything was there. We're going around the area where it's there. We can walk around the place. We never felt we are quarantined because everything is available in this place. It's very close. Near to school, near to the bank, near to the market. What else one needs? Everything is available here. So it's a better place I felt. So I'm here for that. As I mentioned earlier, Mahindra, when I spoke to them, there's the fashion. They told me which caught me. The owner itself telling his dream project. When they have a dream project, definitely they'll see each and everything. The base of not only the market and anything, people word of mouth. People are coming word of mouth. When I talk to my friends that I'm staying there, they talk a lot about that because they are they're maintaining the quality. There's not only for they're doing for the business purpose. Their kind of service they are doing. We are happy for that. I can see that how it's happening there because it's almost we completed 3 to 4 months. We didn't feel any obstacle at all here. Whenever one call, people are coming and helping us. When plumber or an electric, anything, just one call, people are there to help us. And we are really happy for that, right? Of course, it's not only for coming there. It's a very beautiful, safety place. I never close my door. That kind of safety there. Whenever coming out, strangers cannot come in. We need to interact. Who's coming? The security is very fine. All that is happening. Very safety place. Now, of course, I will recommend the people to come and not only coming here. It's better to invest. Why I'm telling as I told you, it's becoming like art of city. They can go. It is really growing. So it is safety first. The people cannot, when the elderly people can come and stay. If they can invest now, when you grow old, when you get retired, they can come and stay. That's the best place to not only youngsters to stay, even senior citizens to stay here. There's a temple nearby. I forgot to mention there's a temple. We can go and spend some time there. We can enjoy children playing around. It is very nice. One really enjoy there. This is the right place to stay for not only for elderly people, anyone who likes to stay in Bangalore. The right place. Those who are working in Electronic City place, there's nearby to go. I can go by cycle to my place. You no need to use my two-wheeler or my car or anything. I can go walkable distance. Really, it's a nice place. Even especially my wife really enjoys this housewife. Kind of people whose neighbors they go there. It's nice people who stay. So not only the building, the people who are staying very understanding, helpful, very caring people they are. I can say because of my experience, close your eyes and come and take it, because as a middle class, actually this is big budget for me to come, because I am not a software engineer. I am working one of the school, school teachers, the salary all people know. It was my dream. When I selected, simply I am not come and buy, because I know my hard earned money should not go waste. That's why I am here, because it's one of the best project. So anybody can come and buy it. And I don't know nothing to say, because you all know, as I shared with my economic background. So when this middle class person comes and buy, why not people who are really wanted to invest here? This is the right place, very safe place I feel. If you compare to any other apartments, even nearby, there are 20 amenities and 20 houses and all, comparing that, everything is there in this. Not only now, you can, your parents and elderly people, children, they thoroughly enjoy staying here. Just want to thank them, really giving, coming up to, you made us to, even middle class people to reach to this, a little bit high, but the service which you are giving, you are helping the people, you are helping the, I would have not come if you people would have, the management would have not helped me to get the loan. They are really helping everything, their service is really good. So really I can appreciate, especially to Mahendra, because I interacted with Mahendra. He is very young and energetic person. I went around with him. He said his dream to make more. It is not only for the making the business. He want to do the service to the society. I'm very thankful to them. I wish them all the best on future endeavors.